All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this device right here has completely stopped me from using my iPad for certain things. Now, you obviously can get an iPad and an iPhone, or an iPad and another device for the cost of this device if you have to pay full cost. But if you don't have to pay full cost, you're looking at the ultimate machine. I don't use my iPad as much as I did before. I'll say it like that. Ever since having this device, I really haven't found a need to use my iPad as much. When I want to edit something or, create a quick video and I want to do it as an all-in-one, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to change devices, upload the footage to here to here. I can go in, I can record on this device, go into Power Director Pro and get busy. Just like that. I think the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is a device that should have people questioning why they have a tablet still. Because you genuinely can have a phone and a tablet all in one. You don't need to have them separate. I really hope that the industry stays in this direction. Now, yes, there are going to be folding devices that are just like a regular size phone, like a flip phone. Like you have a device like the Pixel 5 fold in half, this size. They'll start to get, now I'm probably bigger screens. Here's the Pixel 4a 5G. Now it's actually obviously bigger than the 5, but you can have a folding device in any size, really. I mean, I think you probably could. Wouldn't you want to see, here's the Pixel 4a, when you want to see this device fold in half and still have the same size small screen? What I've learned over the years is that not everybody wants this big ginormous phone in their pocket. Now, that is something that you have to take note of if you're considering buying a folding device. You're going to have to make some exceptions as to what you have. Now, I say in your pocket is because that is how I store my device, in my pocket. I don't have a purse. I don't have a man bag. I don't have what they call a merce. I don't have any of that stuff like some people carry. I just throw the phone in my pocket or back pocket, depending on what I'm doing, and then I'm on my way. So the Z Fold 2, even back to the Z Fold, I was weary at first with the Z Fold, but after owning the Z Fold 2, man, I'm telling you, I'm really hoping that they can innovate and make this device smaller, thinner is what I mean, when closed. This is how thick it is right now, but when it's closed, it is thick. I've heard some people say, oh, it's not as thick as what people say. Folks, this is two phones together. There's a big hinge right here, and this is a phone. That's it. A hinge, two phones together. Can't deny this. So even though it's thin, kind of sort of when it's open, it's still a big device. There is no getting around this. This is a tablet right now. I'm really hoping, if you're wondering about the stand, this is the Rinky stand, so you can check that out. If you're wondering, I know some of you guys always ask, what stand is that? It's a Rinky stand, top-notch stand. I think that the industry should stay with the folding lines. Don't make this go away. I know a couple things. Everybody doesn't want a folding device. Everybody doesn't want a folding screen. There's some limitations that come with this. Like right now, I changed out my screen protector. And here we are, about a month or so later, still got a couple of bubbles in there. This is my matte screen protector. I prefer a matte screen protector. Now, even though, I'm saying that I changed my screen protector out, that's not the point of telling you about the screen. The point I'm making is you're going to have to deal with having a plastic screen ultimately, or a phone with plastic on top of it. Now, they've got several layers here. So yeah, that helps. But I can't officially poke a pin on that and not kill the screen. I had someone say, now this is why I brought up the screen protector. Some people say, well, you can take a pin and pop those bubbles in the screen protector. Yeah, but that's too much of a risk to poke a hole in my screen and then permanently damage it. Well, I know I have the concierge service for the first year. I get to replace my screen or whatever, but I'm not that type of person that's taking advantage of something like that intentionally. It has to genuinely be an accident before I turn it into them, because I don't want to be without my phone. You know what I'm saying? So the Galaxy Z Fold 2, you'll see a lot of people who have this phone. Now look, let's move this to the side for a second. I have the iPad Pro 2020, son. This is a fantastic device. This is 120 hertz full time on the Z Fold 2. Isn't this a high refresh rate too? Yeah, that's not the point. The point is this costs less, but it's bigger. And this right here, this tablet is forcing me to use another device for phone calls. Now, granted, I know I can do FaceTime audio and stuff like that, and I can put my phone in my pocket and I can make calls from the tablet, Wi-Fi calling. I know this, but having an all-in-one is what this video is about. The iPads were slamming the market. They're still the top tablets to a lot of people. I have one. I have other Android tablets. They don't really measure up. They don't perform like my iPads do. I have multiple iPads. This is my latest purchase of an iPad, the iPad Pro 11 2020. And when they bring out a new iPad, I'm probably going to get that one too. It's just the truth. However, I don't feel the need to pick up my iPad as much because I can make phone calls. I could do everything directly from this. And the thing about the iPad having the cameras from the iPhone 11 or whatever, yeah, these are great cameras, but these are great cameras too. They have improved these cameras so much over the Z Fold 1 or the first Z Fold. It's unimaginable. It's just ridiculous. I have used these cameras so much to record video on this channel. It's unheard of. Folks, it's unheard of. ZV-1, Sony ZV-1, my main camera with the Sigma lens. Now, granted, I could use this camera to do like videos of devices, but I use this camera predominantly just for vlogs. But I have a A6100, folks. I can get a different lens on here, and then I can just start doing videos strictly with this camera. But it's not an all-in-one. Have you seen the Sony software? Did you transfer from to your cell phone? It's clunky. Let's be honest, it's clunky. It's clunky software, and it's not that great. And it takes a long time to transfer. So then I might as well take it out of the device, put it in an adapter, or take the SD card out of my camera, put it in an adapter, plug it into the phone, get it off there. You know, it just defeats the purpose of having that all in one. But if I want that crispy footage, I'm definitely going with my Sony with the A61, with the Sigma lens. All vlogs are pretty much done with that. But having an all-in-one, this is the ultimate all-in-one. I named this the Creator of the Year device. Like creators, even if you're not a creator, you could become one with this phone. Oh, device. You could become a creator right here. I love that it has that dual, like this, when you turn the camera on, you can turn on the outside screen. You hit that button up there. Now the outside screen is on. Look at this. That's ridiculously good, man. That's just beast mode. I love that I can hold it in either format. It just, you know, everything kind of gets a lot bigger this way. I love that, man. I love being able to have an all-in-one. This is the ultimate all-in-one. I could make 1,000 discussion videos about this device, man. And I don't think it'll ever get old because there's always something to talk about with this device. There are people still today still reviewing this 6-month follow-up, 8-month follow-up. I guess this is my follow-up. You know what I'm saying? This is my follow-up. This device is boss. As a matter of fact, I'll probably edit this video that's being shot with my GoPro Hero 9 Black. Yes, because I got that too. And here's my 8 Black. Still use that for some side shots and things around. But this video will come off of my Hero 9 Black, go on to this device, edit it up. Boom, just like that. And give it to you. I don't have to reach for my bigger brother, if you want to call it the bigger brother. I don't have to reach for the iPad. I can load this footage on the iPad or this device. Either one. I don't know. I'll pick one. However, if I'm shooting from this device, this is the all-in-one. I could be out doing footage because it's 5G, so I can still do my uploads and downloads, everything. The 5G is pretty fast. I mean, I don't think I'm getting like true 5G over AT&T or T-Mobile. I'm getting like 75 to 100 on AT&T, and then on T-Mobile sometimes 80 to 120. That's fast, and that's fast enough to do uploads and downloads, but not fast enough for a lot of things that I want to do on my Wi-Fi network, getting 400 and 500 down, you know what I'm saying? But it's still a complete device. Editing in PowerDirector Pro has been just the best thing that it's my go-to. This is my go-to for editing. Look, see how many videos I've produced in here? There's a ton of videos that I've done in here. I love being able to just grab something, drop it in here, edit it, record it, do everything right on the phone. Music, pictures, videos, I can even capture from here. It's just that good. It's just that good. And you could do this on a lot of devices. One device you can do it on is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but it's still no all-in-one tablet. And the cameras are, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I like my iPad mini's cameras. They're just like the iPad, my iPhone 12 mini. They're just like the iPhone 12 Pro Max cameras overall, but again, still not that all-in-one that creators should be longing for. If you're a creator, and I said this before, I shot the video. I told you guys, hey, this is my opinion. It's cool if you disagree. But if you are not a creator, you are missing out if you haven't given this device a chance. Straight up and down. I'm telling you, son, you're missing out. The ultimate creator's device right now in January 2021 is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. Until they announce anything else that says fold on it, I probably won't even entertain it. What is it? The S21, Twin Plus, and all these, they sound like cool devices, but they're not going to be a fold. It's just how it goes. It's your man Jay. I'm out.